Students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss logarithm. Logarithms are actually of two types. Common logarithm. Such type of logarithm which has base 10 is called common logarithm, and natural logarithm. Such type of logarithm which has base e, which is approximately equal to 2.718. How can we define logarithm of any real number? If a raised to the power x is equal to y, then x is called logarithm of y to the base a. That means exponent is called logarithm of y to the base a and is written as log y to the base a is equal to x, where a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 0. Here a is greater than 0 and not equal to 1, and y is also greater than 0. This form a raised to the power x is equal to y, it is called exponential form, and this form log y to the base a is equal to x is called logarithmic form. These two relations are equal to each other. That means if one relation is given, then we can calculate the other relation. If one relation is given, you can calculate the other relation. If this relation is given, you can calculate this relation. Now we can deduct some deductions from definition. As we know that a raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So if we convert this exponential form into logarithmic form, we can write it as log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Similarly, we know that a raised to the power 1 is always equal to a. So we can write it in logarithmic form as log a to the base a is equal to 1. Now we will discuss what is characteristic and what is mantissa of any number. In common logarithm, the base is not written usually. If we consider 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to 100, this is an exponential form, and if we want to convert this exponential form into logarithmic form, we will write it as log 100 is equal to 2. Similarly, 10 raised to the power 1 is equal to 10 can be written as log 10 is equal to 1. 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 can be written as log 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, 10 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.1 can be written as log 0.1 is equal to minus 1. 10 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.101 can be written as log 0.01 is equal to minus 2. This shows that if the number is present between 1 and 10, then the logarithm of that number will be between 0 and 1, and it is decimal. If the number is between 10 and 100, then its log will be greater than 1 but less than 2. That means logarithm is 1 plus some decimal part. If the number is between 0.1 and 1, then its log will be minus 1 plus some decimal part. It also shows that if the number is between 0.01 and 0.1, then its log will be minus 2 plus some decimal part. This all discussion shows that any logarithm consists of two parts. First one, an integral part which is positive for number greater than 1 and negative for numbers less than 1. And this integral part is called characteristic. part, it is called mantissa. It is always positive.